All right, let's review. So here we have our original design, and then we did the pencil drawn version. I'm going to get this out of the way so we can. So that's the pencil drawn version. Let's see if I can get closer in here. All right, that's what that one looks like. And then we did the Frixion pen, and that really shows up easily. Let's look at them side by side. Here's pencil versus the Frixion pen, but you get a much more accurate drawing of the design on your fabric this way. Then we did using the heat version of Transfer. This was with Martha's Transfer pencil. And then we did with the Transfer pen that Sublime stitching provides. So easier to see. Both of these, this one and Martha's, here you can see them side by side. They work. They're a little quirky, but they do work. And this provides a way to do multiples of the same thing. You can get multiple heat transfers using this method. But again, you want to be careful with the thickness of the line. So if you need to get a really fine line so that your stitching covers the stitches, you might want to consider going really sharp on these, being really careful for the iron-ons, or, go with the pen or pencil method. The pen method here on this one is going to iron away so you don't see it anymore. You don't even notice. I use the same fabric here and I just drew over it again. So you have options, and you can try whichever way you want to use. Now, I have heard of iron-on transfer fabric or special paper that you can run through your printer, print directly, and then do the iron-on transfer like these. I have not tried that, but I've heard that that exists. So, you can experiment on your own and see what works for you. Okay, I hope this helps.